Are you ready to give your WordPress website a fresh new look? Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a background image or change the background color in WordPress. Fast, simple, and fully up to date for 2025. Start by opening your browser and heading to the WordPress homepage. Click the login option at the top right corner and choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, locate the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site to enter the site editor. Inside the editor, notice the top right corner. That's where the styling options live. Click the style icon to open the customization panel. Here, you'll find the background settings. If you want a background image, click on the option to add one. This will open your media library, browse your uploaded images, select the one you like, and click select. Instantly, your chosen image will appear as your site's background. Prefer a solid color instead? No problem. Click the back arrow to return to the main customization menu, then select Colors. Under the Background section, pick a color from the palette. You'll see a live preview of how it looks on your site. And just like that, your WordPress website has a brand new background, whether it's a stunning image or a vibrant color. Take a moment to explore other style options to make your site truly yours. With these simple steps, you've updated your site's appearance in just minutes, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, creating amazing content.